If you're spending too much or too little time on questions in your maths exams, here's a secret you need to know. The minutes spent per mark will usually be lower for shorter questions and higher for longer questions. Phew, that's a mouthful. But what does that mean? Let's start by talking about minutes per mark. So if you have 90 minutes to complete a paper that's 80 marks, then you divide the amount of time by the total number of marks. This is 1.125 minutes to spend for each mark. Let's round it to 1 minute. This means a 1-mark question takes 1 minute, a 2-mark question takes 2 minutes, and so on. But you've likely noticed that 2-mark questions can be done within, let's say, 1.5 minutes. This works out to be 0.75 minutes per mark, which is faster than what the table says. Whereas a 5-mark question could easily take up to 7 minutes. This works out to be 1.4 minutes per mark, which is slower than what the table says. So to score 1 mark on a 5-mark question, it could take about double the amount of time that it could for a 2-mark question. But why does this happen? Well, this is because you've got more lines to check, there's more room for mistakes, and the longer questions are usually more difficult. So this table probably needs to be something more like this. But what do you think? Is this table reasonable?